Okay, in this session we are going to learn a new structure, that is 21st structure. Let's see what the structure is. The structure is I am here. I am here. I am here after we have to use V1 2. I am here after we have to use 2. I am here too. I am here too plus V1 plus something. This is the structure. What is the structure? I am here to structure. After I am here to, we have to use V1, first form of the verb. Okay, now let's see what is this structure. This structure is used to inform. The structure is used to inform someone that you are at a particular place. You are at a particular place to accomplish something. So what is the structure? I am here to structure. After I am here to structure, we have to use V1, first form of the verb. Now let's see the usage. This structure is used to inform someone. It informs someone that you are at a particular place to accomplish. What is meant by accomplish? Achieve. What is meant by accomplish? To achieve. Achieve. Okay. So let's see what this is. You are informing someone that you are there. You are there to achieve something. You are there to achieve something means you are there at that particular place to achieve something, means you are going to achieve something there. Okay, that's why you are there. Now let's see some examples. Okay. I am here to. I am here to help you. I am here to help you. Why you are there? You are there to help you. Means why you are there? You are there to help. Okay, I am here to help you with your project. I am here. I am here to learn. I am here to learn new things. Why you are there? You are there to learn new things. I am here to pick up your luggage. I am here to buy a new laptop. I am here to attend the conference. I am here to meet my friend for lunch. I am here to donate blood. I am here to support you. I am here to support you. Why you are there? You are there to support. Okay. I am here to see the doctor. I am here to see the doctor. Why you are there? You want to meet the doctor, so you are there. I am here to participate. I am here to participate in games. I am here to listen to your discussion. I am here to listen to your discussion. I am here to offer my service. I am here to watch the football game. I am here to take my driving test. I am here to join the yoga class. I am here to register. I am here to register for the workshop. Next. I am here to apply for the job. I am here to apply for the job. I am here to get my hair cut. Get my hair cut. I am here to support my. I am here to support my friend. I am here to learn communication skills. I am here to give a presentation. I am here to return the book. I am here to try a new shot in cricket. I am here to attend the film festival. I am here to visit the museum. Okay, thank you. Let's meet in the new session.